If you're looking for an easier way to keep your floors clean, a good steam mop can make a big difference. Welcome back to USA Smart Shop. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best steam mop options you can buy right now. I compared their cleaning performance, ease of use, and overall value so you can quickly figure out which one fits your home and budget. Let's take a look at the 5 steam mop options that are actually worth considering. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Shark Vac Mop Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner, Vacuum and Spray Mop, Powerful Suction, Lightweight, LED Headlights, includes 4 disposable pads, 12 ounces multi-surface cleaning solution, gray, VM252. The Shark Vac Mop Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner is designed to combine vacuuming and mopping into one convenient cleaning tool. Instead of using separate devices for dry debris and wet messes, this unit allows you to pick up dirt and clean your floors at the same time, making it a practical solution for everyday home cleaning. One of the biggest advantages of the Shark Vac Mop is its 2-in-1 functionality. The device uses powerful suction to pull in dust, crumbs, and small debris while also spraying cleaning solution to remove sticky spills and stains. This combination helps simplify the cleaning process and reduces the time needed to maintain hard floors. The vacuum uses disposable vac mop pads that trap dirt and absorb wet messes during cleaning. These pads are designed with an absorbent layer that locks debris inside, preventing it from spreading back onto the floor. When the cleaning job is finished, the pad can simply be removed and discarded without needing to touch the collected dirt. Another helpful feature is the on-demand spray system. With a button on the handle, users can release cleaning solution exactly where it is needed. This targeted spray makes it easier to deal with sticky spots, dried spills, or areas that require extra attention. Number 2. Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop Kit for Floor Cleaning, Fresh Scent. Mopping kit includes Power Mop, 2 mopping pad refills, 1 floor cleaning solution with fresh scent and 2 batteries. The Swiffer Power Mop Multi-Surface Mop Kit is designed to provide a simple and effective way to clean hard floors with minimal effort. Built for convenience and quick cleaning sessions, this mop system focuses on removing dirt, grime, and sticky messes while leaving floors fresh and clean. One of the main highlights of the Swiffer Power Mop is its spray mop design. With a built-in cleaning solution dispenser, users can easily spray the floor while mopping, eliminating the need for a separate bucket. This feature helps simplify the cleaning process and makes it easier to handle everyday messes. The kit includes specially designed power mop pads that provide strong cleaning performance. These pads feature multiple layers that help scrub away dirt while absorbing liquid and debris. The textured surface helps break down tough spots and grime on sealed hard floors. The cleaning solution included in the kit is formulated to help dissolve grease and sticky residue while leaving behind a fresh scent. This makes the floors not only look cleaner but also smell refreshed after mopping. The Swiffer Power Mop is suitable for many common hard floor surfaces such as tile, laminate, vinyl, and finished wood floors. It is designed for quick cleanups in kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and other areas where spills and dirt commonly appear. Maintenance is also simple. After cleaning, the used mop pad can be removed and replaced with a fresh refill pad. This helps maintain hygiene and ensures that each cleaning session starts with a clean pad. Number 3. Steam Mop 10-in-1 Multipurpose Handheld Steam Cleaner Detachable Floor Steamer for Hardwood Tile Laminate Floors Carpet with 11 accessories for whole home use. The 10-in-1 multi-purpose steam mop is designed to be a versatile cleaning tool that can handle a wide variety of household tasks using the power of steam. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, this cleaner uses heated water to produce steam that helps loosen dirt, grease, and grime from different surfaces throughout the home. One of the main advantages of this device is its multifunctional design. It works as both a floor steam mop and a detachable handheld steam cleaner. With the handheld unit, users can clean smaller areas such as kitchen counters, bathroom fixtures, grout lines, windows, and even upholstery. The steam mop is suitable for a variety of floor types including sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. The steam penetrates surface dirt and helps lift stubborn stains while leaving floors sanitized and refreshed. This model typically comes with a wide range of accessories designed for different cleaning tasks. These may include a grout brush, angle nozzle, window squeegee, garment steamer attachment, and scrubbing tools. These attachments allow the cleaner to reach tight corners, clean grout lines, and remove grease or soap buildup. Another useful feature is the detachable handheld unit. By removing the floor attachment, the device quickly transforms into a compact steam cleaner for spot cleaning around the house. This flexibility makes it useful for bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas where detailed cleaning is required. Most models heat up quickly, allowing users to begin cleaning within a short time after turning the device on. This reduces waiting time and makes the steam mop convenient for quick cleaning sessions. Number 4. Bissell Crosswave HydroSteam Steam Mop, 3-in-1 wet-dry vacuum mop with steam function, hard floor cleaner machine with sanitize formula, 35151. The Bissell Crosswave HydroSteam is a powerful 3-in-1 cleaning machine that combines vacuuming, washing, and steaming into a single device. Designed for modern homes, this cleaner helps simplify floor care by allowing users to vacuum debris and wash floors at the same time. One of the key features of the Crosswave HydroSteam is its HydroSteam technology. This system adds steam power to help break down tough, sticky messes while the brush roll scrubs the floor. The combination of steam and cleaning solution helps remove dried spills and stubborn dirt more effectively. Unlike traditional mops, the Crosswave can vacuum dry debris while washing the floor. Crumbs, pet hair, and dust are captured by the vacuum system while the rotating brush roll works with cleaning solution to wash the surface. The machine is designed for multiple floor types including sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and area rugs. This makes it useful for homes with mixed flooring surfaces where switching between cleaning tools would normally be required. Another helpful feature is the dual tank system. One tank holds clean water and cleaning formula, while the other collects dirty water during use. This separation helps ensure that clean solution is always used on the floor. With its upright design and powerful motor, the machine is capable of deep cleaning while remaining relatively easy to maneuver. The handle and controls allow users to switch cleaning modes depending on the floor type and level of mess. Number 5. Tin EcoFloor 1S6 Master Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, 20 kPa suction vacuum mop with dual edge cleaning, 45-minute runtime, quiet mode, 185 degrees Fahrenheit flash dry, 4-inch ultra slim. The Tin EcoFloor 1S6 Master is an advanced wet and dry vacuum cleaner designed to handle both vacuuming and floor washing in one smart device. Built for modern homes, it combines strong suction power with intelligent cleaning features to maintain hard floors more efficiently. One of the standout features of this model is its powerful suction capability, reaching up to 20 kPa. This strong suction allows the vacuum to easily collect dust, debris, and liquid spills while simultaneously washing the floor surface. The Floor 1S6 Master is designed with dual-edge cleaning technology. This allows the brush roll to clean closer to baseboards and edges, helping remove dirt that often collects along walls and corners. Another notable feature is the smart sensor technology that detects the level of dirt on the floor. The vacuum automatically adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush speed based on the mess it detects. This helps improve cleaning performance while also optimizing battery usage. The device offers up to 45 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, making it suitable for cleaning larger spaces without needing frequent recharging. The cordless design also allows users to move freely around the home. A unique feature of the S6 Master is its flash dry system. After cleaning, the machine can dry the brush roll using heated air, helping reduce moisture buildup and maintain hygiene inside the unit. That wraps up our review of the 5 best steam mop options available right now. Hopefully this helped you narrow down which one makes the most sense for your cleaning needs. If you want to check current prices or learn more about any of the steam mops we covered, you'll find the links down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to USA Smart Shop for more product comparisons that help you buy smarter.